got our first Tim Hortons.
Damn bits.
We got chocolate, honey glaze, old-fashioned glaze, and
Do they give us extra?
birthday cake, iced black coffee.
Wow. Ice black coffee. Oh wow. Wow. Tastes like a donut.
Tastes like a donut?
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like coffee?
Yep.
Nice.
Guess we should start with our room tour. Here we have on the right our bathroom, shower, interesting wallpaper, and sink area. Then we come out here, we have our closet. They have a mini Nespresso machine with these cute little pods. TV, nice long bench. Now over here, we have John, king size bed. And a nice little patio area facing the back of the hotel, which is fine. It's pretty cold, so it is breezy out here. Outfit of the night. We're gonna go walk around Banff Avenue shops now and get dinner somewhere. All right, off we go. Bye. Dandies.
It's dry out, you think?
It's not too bad right now. Finally, we can see the mountains with the snow.
It's open. It's like an elongated test. Freaking cold is everywhere in the fridge.
It's because there's no glass right here.
Oh shit.
No.
Nice.
The video.
Getting eczema as we speak. See, eczema. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Giddy up, giddy up. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Wow. Just looking across the It's a snow rave.
Cascade at Times Garden for the Christmas event right now. And we're pretty late because we have to run from the train all the way here, and they're on opposite ends of downtown Banff.
Wait, is that way? Went the wrong way. Light the way.
You're leading the way.
All the ghosts of the animals. Turtles. They're turtles.
You sure?
No. Lead the way, traveler. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Leading us to danger. Oh, shit! Holy shit. God damn.
Don't put your whole weight.
I did it. I was like, everyone's falling.
You slipped on the same area that you slipped.
Oh my god. A roll. What kind of milk is this? Whole milk?
Try it.
What if it's whole milk?
It's fine.
Look at this 2-year-old. Wow. Like a penguin. Go again.
No angel.
Go again. Go penguin. Sedimentary rock.
We're walking back to the shuttle. I think we're the first
We
ones.
lost the group. They're way too slow.
The tour guide and the group was in the back,
trying
but
to
we
rally.
were allowed to free roam. Okay, bye.
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 That was cute. It's colder here than out in the canyon. Jesus Christ.
Like,
It's fresh. Yeah.
not like too sweet.
I thought it was gonna be more dense. Get out of my face. You're my pig. How's the biscotti?
Yummy. I don't know how to describe
It
it.
is savory.
Yeah, a little savory. The cinnamon biscotti.
It has like paprika on it. Dog treat. Nice.
Winter Wonderland.
It's hot. Come on. You gotta glide forward a little bit. Coming from an expert.
Ah, I can't. It's rocky. I need someone to hold on to.
That's not the reason why. You got it?
No, I don't.
I mean, you're moving forward.
Because you're pushing me.
Can you go by yourself?
No. What?
Come on. Nice. Yeah. Ask him if you can borrow that. That hurt?
No. Way better than me.
Yeah, a lot of people are better. You did a picture?
No.
Wow.
Starting a room tour. Here's a nice closet. Bathroom. Say hi. Nice shower. Come out here, there's another mirror.
A super nice mirror.
King bed. We got the nice corner room. They upgraded us for free. Is there a nice view? Wow. espresso. And then another view of the lake. And that concludes the tour. We're waiting for the sleigh ride.
What are they doing?
Look at the trees I decorated.
It's cool. Sorry, I need my hand on my pocket.
Okay.
Just finished the sleigh ride.
It's cold.
Horses farted on us.
I know, they farted a couple times. Look at those trees. Hold up. Okay. That was the last one of the trail.
Thank God. No one diabetes.
I guess John is Mr. Louis now. That's so nice.